I think the greatest thing you can steal is a sneeze. Yeah, that's a dark, deep. When someone's about to sneeze and they're like, and you go, ah! And they're just like, fuck! And then you just go, that's right. It's kind of like you're lording over them. You steal someone's sneeze. Who doesn't love to sneeze? Great feeling, sneezing. It's a little much for me. Imagine as a comedian not liking someone laughing. You're like, that's too much for me. You're enjoying this too much. Stealing a sneeze is a good feeling. So is peeing in the shower. Anybody here not pee in the shower? Love it. Not one person. We all get it. If you meet someone who doesn't pee in the shower, get them out of your life. It's the greatest feeling in the world. Sometimes I think about maybe pooping in my own hand. I don't do it. I think about it. I'm like, seems like very powerful thing. Like, not sure why. Listen, you don't have to act on every thought you have. It's actions, not thoughts, that determine who the person is.